I'm going to make a delicious green smoothie for you today. I'm going to put all these ingredients into my mixer, blend them up, and then we can enjoy the smoothie together. Let's get started right away. What a mess. By the way, I never add any water to my smoothies because the water goes into the fruit juice and destroys its natural structure. I don't like that. I don't like the taste. And I prefer adding fresh orange juice to my smoothies if I want them to be juicy. Otherwise, I don't mind it at all if they're very, very creamy and you can't just drink them up as fast as possible like you do with water. So I really like enjoying them slowly, and that's why I add orange juice. You can try and do the same thing. Let me know what it tastes like to you. This tastes gorgeous. This smoothie is very special because it's full of magnesium. So if you tend to overtrain like I do, then you definitely need loads of magnesium, because as an athlete you need as much magnesium as you can get. And kiwis and pineapples and spinach are full of magnesium. All the dark leafy greens are, by the way, and so are bananas. So whenever you have magnesium deficiency, you have to know you actually have banana deficiency. Am I right? If you want to experience lightness and bliss on a daily basis, then feel free to download my mini ebook, How to Become Unstoppable, by signing up for the newsletter on walkingpower.com. Simply click on the link in the description box, which will take you to my 3 simple steps for becoming unstoppable and creating lasting change in your life. Remember to drink the water first before you drink your smoothie. Don't put any water into your smoothie if you don't have to. And I'm telling you, you don't have to. So enjoy this smoothie. Let me know how you liked it. Post your comments down below. And subscribe to my channel. Remember to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let's keep in touch and enjoy this beautiful lifestyle to your health.